This is a piano tutorial on the very popular Beatles tune, Yesterday. And this is one of the most popular songs, enduring songs that they ever did. Very beautiful melody. And so I'm going to show it to you here first as a piano soloist. So I'm going to give you the fingering. It's not really that tricky. This is in the key of F. So you only have one black key to watch out for, B flat. Start with your third finger on G. And then you're going to lift up your thumb to this A note for the next phrase. And you're going to go up to this C sharp and then go under with your thumb to get up to the top. So it's third finger on C sharp, D with your thumb. And that gets you through the end of that phrase. Then you're going to have to lift your wrist up, put your fifth finger on D. Watch out for that B flat there. Another one there. And then lift your wrist up, put your third finger on this G. That gets you to that phrase. That whole thing repeats. And then the next section, you're going to put your thumb on A. And then you're going to put your third finger on this D note. That gets you through that phrase. Then it repeats. Third finger here on D again. And then here, you're going to have to put your thumb on C so that you can go over with your fourth finger on this B flat to get to the end of that phrase. And then it does this again with your thumb on A. Third finger, put your thumb under on D. That gets you through that phrase. Fifth finger on this D. Watch out for that B flat again. On there too. And then third finger on G. And that's going to get you to the end of the song. Really nice melody there. And then the chords you're going to do in your left hand are pretty simple. You start on an F chord there. And this is pretty much works pretty nicely with just 2 chords per measure. Then E minor on the next measure. So if you don't know, that F chord is F, A, C. Then E minor, you just shift it down 1. It's E, G, B. And then you got an A7 when you hit that C sharp in your right hand. It's A7 as your chord. E, G, A, and C sharp on the top. There's a D minor chord, D, F, and A. There's a B flat chord there, F, B flat, and D like that. And then C7 on the third beat there, E, G, B flat, C. F again, F, A, C. This spot on the melody is one of those dissonant things happening. If you just hit it like that, you think it's a wrong note, but it's quick, that B flat's quickly resolving down to this A. And then a C chord there on the fourth beat, E, G, C. D minor, D, F, A. G7, D, F, G, B. There's a B flat chord, F, B flat, and D. And there's your F chord at the end of the phrase there, F, A, C. Then you're going to repeat that, and the next section you start with an E minor chord, E, G, B, A7, there, E, G, A, C sharp, D minor, D, F, A, B flat, F, B flat and D, G minor, G, B flat and D, C7, E, G, B flat, C, that repeats, E minor, A7, D minor, B flat, G minor, C7, F. E minor again, E, G, B, A7, C7, D minor, D, F, A there, G7, D, F, G, B, B flat, F, B flat and D, G7 again, flat, F. Really a pretty simple tune, even for a beginner. I don't think you'd have too much problem with that. So that's Yesterday as a Soloist.